Hi, I'm Matt, and I'm here at the Cincinnati Bell store in Anderson, and I'm picking up my Sonos Move, and I'm putting on my Cincinnati Bell bills. Let's go pick it up. I'm here inside the Cincinnati Bell store in Anderson with Doug, the store manager, picking up my Sonos Move that I was able to put on my Cincinnati Bell bill over 24 months. How much is this going to cost me?
It's $16.67 a month for 24 months.
I was able to finance that interest-free for being a Cincinnati Bell customer. So let's take this home and see how it works.
Looking without sight on a feeling, you interpret me, no deceiving. Clear my head of this devil.
I just got home and we're gonna unbox the Sonos Move and see what we have inside. Hey Google, turn main floor lights on. As you can see here, there's a little strip, piece of tape that will take off. Pretty easy to unbox that. Open the box and you can see we have the standard welcome guide that Sonos comes with. One thing I like about the box is everything's eco-friendly, including the bag that it comes in. You know, one interesting thing about the Sonos bag is they wanted to get rid of any plastic that they could, and so they give this reusable bag, hoping that customers will use it for other things. It's got a nice little handle behind it, so when you grab the Move, it's very comfortable, feels very durable, very stable. If you look on the back, you can see it's got the power button, your standard setup button, and then your toggle between Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, as well as on top. It's got your play button, your volume skip song, as well as Google Assistant or Alexa. In here we've got some accessories that will open in just a second. Again, a very easy box to open. Looks like we've got the charger in here, which is connected by a little bit of tape that we'll undo. Comes right out. This is the charging ring. You can see the two adapters right there. On the back of the Sonos Move, you have the charging ports there that you'll put in. One nice thing is it's got rubber on the bottom that it doesn't move, which is nice, so even in or out, it's pretty stable, which is great. Now we're gonna set up the Sonos Move and add it to my Sonos network. So I've downloaded the Sonos app, and the first thing I'm gonna do is place this on the charger. You can see it's starting to flash white. I'm gonna go into the Sonos app here, hit Settings, System, Add Product. So it'll walk me through that I need to plug it into power, which we've done. And now it's going to start and search my network to see if there's anything in setup mode. And it sees that I have a product that's ready to be set up. Do I want to set up this Sonos Move? So we're going to hit set up this product. And it asks me on the back to touch the infinity symbol. And I hear the chime. And now it's getting ready to add the device to my network. It says here that the setup, if I want to set it up on the Wi-Fi network, my Dayton Flyers network, so I want to use that same one that my Sonos is using, so it's verifying that it's linking to that network, which will just take 1 second. It says Sonos is connecting to your wireless network. This will just take a minute while it syncs up with the rest of the Sonos products. It starts blinking green here. And now it's connected to my network. We'll hit continue. And then it gives me some information here that if I want to listen on the go, that I can use the Bluetooth functionality that we spoke about earlier. So I'll hit continue there. And now it says the Sonos Move is added. And it asks if I want to add another product or not now. So we're going to click not now. And now it's checking to see, hey, is there any updates that have come out before this was sent out? So it says yes. So right now it's going to update this to the latest software. While it's downloading, one thing that's interesting is the Move comes with 10 hours of battery life when it first came out. Due to some software upgrades and efficiencies, that's now gone to 11 hours, which is great. So if you're camping, golfing, whatever it is, you get an extra hour of battery life with just a simple software update, which is great that Sonos provides. Now that the software is updated on my Sonos Move, we're gonna go in and add a voice service. You can either use Alexa or Google. I actually use both. I'm gonna set this one up, I think, on Alexa. So what we're gonna do is go to Settings, Services and Voice. We would click Alexa, and then go down to Add to Another. It'll say Add to Sonos, and then you pick which one you wanna go to. Now I've already set this one up, so we didn't have to wait. So now I can ask it any type of questions. Alexa, am I the coolest person you know?
Sorry, I'm not sure.
Ooh, that hurt. So now Alexa is set up and working on here, so you can ask it all kinds of questions. You can add things to your shopping list. Alexa, add milk to my shopping list.
Milk added to your shopping list.
So now when I go to the grocery store, I know that I need to get milk. You can easily turn that function on or off right on the top to where now, Alexa, what's the weather outside? And it won't hear anything. You turn it back on. Alexa, what's the weather outside?
Right now in Cincinnati, it's 89 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly sunny skies. Throughout the day, you can expect more of the same, with a high of 93 degrees and a low of 70 degrees.
Perfect. So now that we're set up with that, we're gonna go into our Sonos app and play some music. I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna select one of my favorite local bands, if you haven't heard of them, from right here in Cincinnati is Livid. I'm gonna put on my favorite song. Gotta go in and select the room. And now I've got them pulled up. We're gonna play my song Supernatural and see how this sounds. I'm currently using Deezer to listen to music. You can go in though into the Sonos app, and when you click on music, you can see you can set up Amazon, Sonos Radio, Deezer. I've got XM, you've got TuneIn, and then you can do a line into the Play 5. I've got volumes controls right here on the top. Play and pause. It gets pretty loud.
So with the touch and a smile like how we do, never subtle the words coming from you. Like fire in the rain.
So that completes this portion of the video with how to set up your Alexa or Google Assistant, and then how to play music and listen to the Sonos Move. So remember, go to your Cincinnati Bell store. You can finance these up to 24 months on your Cincinnati Bell bill if you're a customer. And just like me, get it for $16.67 a month for 2 years. Now for the last part of the video, wanted to see how durable the Sonos Move is. In 2020, you've got COVID-19, you've got murder hornets, cicadas are coming, so tragedy could strike at any time. What if this slips out of my hand as I'm playing some music and I really like this song? Let's go see how it did. Yeah, still playing music. A little dirt. Still works. That concludes our Sonos Move unboxing and damage control. Thanks for watching.